Do you want to know what the best online business that you can start in 2020 is? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is... Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about what the best online business is that you can get started with in 2020. And I'm also going to be telling you why. Now, this is just my personal opinion. I'm sure some people would agree with me, and then there's going to be other people who would find other methods to be the best business to start online. So basically, there's a bunch of different online business models that you can use to start making money online, ranging from Amazon FBA, dropshipping, selling digital courses. But the one that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and the one that's my personal recommendation, is affiliate marketing. Now, before I start talking about affiliate marketing, what it is and why it's my personal recommendation when it comes to getting started with your own online business, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just first start off by explaining what affiliate marketing is. So basically, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's going to be your affiliate link. So this is going to be the link that you're going to promote for whatever product you choose to go with. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link, they're going to be redirected to the sales page of the product that you're promoting. And if they buy that product through your affiliate link, then you're going to get credit for the sale. So basically, you're just getting paid to refer people to buy a certain product. Now, why do I think affiliate marketing is the best method to get started with? Well, number one, it's free to get started. Anybody can get started by promoting any type of affiliate product online. There's a few different programs out there where it's free to sign up to become an affiliate. The top 3 recommendations I would recommend is first go with ClickBank, then there's JVZoo, and then there's Amazon Associates. Now, another reason why I think this is the best method to go with is because you don't have to have your own product in order to start making money. If you have an e-commerce business where you're selling physical products, you have to first buy that product, manufacture it, and then pay for the shipping whenever somebody buys it. With affiliate marketing, all you're doing, like I mentioned, is just getting paid by referring somebody to buy a certain product. Now, another reason why affiliate marketing is the best business to get started with is because you don't have to worry about dealing with any refunds. You don't have to worry about shipping out anything yourself. That's all on the creator or the owner of that product. All you're doing, like I mentioned, is just referring people to buy that product. Now, another reason why affiliate marketing is the best method to get started with, in my opinion, is because you can earn high-ticket commissions. The 3 programs that I talked about, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and JVZoo, those are great to get started with, but they're not going to really earn you high-ticket commissions. So when I talk about high-ticket commissions, I'm talking about things that are going to make you $500 and up for each sale. If you're looking at products on ClickBank, you might make $30 commissions, $40, $50, $100 even. But when it comes to Amazon Associates, you're going to be earning even less than that. Amazon, they pay affiliates anywhere between 2 to like 10% on whatever category they're promoting. So let's say, for example, you're promoting a toaster as an affiliate product and that toaster costs $20. You might make $4 or $5 off of that commission. So even though Amazon is great to get started, you can gain some experience with affiliate marketing by starting out with Amazon Associates. It's not going to really earn you a decent amount of income where you can actually live off of. But there are other programs out there. These are usually private affiliate programs where you have to first get approved, or you have to pay to become an affiliate for them. But these type of programs, they tend to pay you a lot more as opposed to ClickBank or Amazon Associates. Now, maybe you might not be interested in getting started with affiliate marketing. Maybe you might want to start your own online business, whether it's going to be coaching and consulting. Maybe you want to do Amazon FBA or dropshipping. If you have no idea where to get started, then I highly recommend checking out my personal recommendation to make a full-time income online. I'm going to leave that link in the top of the description right here. Now, I highly recommend this for anybody who's serious about starting their own online business, but they really don't know where to start. Now, I just want to give you a full disclaimer. It isn't free to get started. It only costs $7. So if you think about it, you can learn how to start your own online business for $7, or you can use that $7 to buy yourself maybe like a coffee at Starbucks. So, I mean, you got to really weigh out the pros and cons. But that's basically all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys got some value from it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Well, that's basically it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.